There used to be about 150 varieties of indigenous Swiss farm animals. Today, there are only 26 left. But thanks to the efforts of Specie Rara, the Swiss Association for the Protection of Rare Breeds, these remaining breeds have managed to survive. This October, both farmers and the general public can see these endangered animals at Brunegg in Aargau. It's the second time that Specie Rara has organised the event, which takes place just once every 5 years.
After the World Wars, there was a time when industrialization take part in the agriculture business, and then they concentrated on the breeds with a high input and high output. So production was a big factor, and all the old breeds were more extensive. So let's say low input, low output.
Preserving old breeds is important for genetic variety. With alternative farming methods increasing, the special qualities of rare breeds are becoming more attractive.
The
Ratian Grey is a small and light breed of cattle. They are ideal for steep pastures and they are cheap to feed. For a long time, intensive breeding was required. The view was, the more the better. But now opinions have changed and forgotten breeds are becoming popular again. There are around 2,000 Ratian Greys now, and the population's increasing.
Das sind Walliser Landschaft, und Französisch halt Route Valais.
This breed of sheep from Valais have horns and a very good character. They're really good-natured.
My wife uses the wool to make felt, and the meat sells very well among our friends. We believe that Appenzeller Spitzhaube was bred as long ago as the 15th century in the cloisters of eastern Switzerland. It lays very small eggs which are very tasty. It's a very lively chicken which can fly and is resistant to low temperatures. In total, there are only a few hundred animals left. This is hardly enough to keep the breed alive. Farmers have to be extremely careful to avoid inbreeding.
There's also a species you wouldn't expect to find here.
Das ist die einheimische dunkle Biene. Speziell an deren ist, die ist winterbeständig.
The Apis mellifera is our indigenous honeybee. It's resistant to the winter climate since it's already been in this region for hundreds of years. Unlike other breeds, it also stocks food for cold days. It's more and more threatened by other kinds. Now it's bred again in several protected zones. In fact, in Canton Glarus, it's the only kind that beekeepers are allowed to keep.
Gehalten werden als die dunkle Biene.